Amazon affiliate marketing. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what is Amazon affiliate marketing and how it works. So what is Amazon affiliate program? So the Amazon affiliate program or Amazon associate is an affiliate marketing program. It's free for website owner and blogger to become Amazon associates. They advertise product from Amazon and their site by creating links. When customer click on the link and buy products from Amazon, they earn referral fees or commission. So as we all know that what affiliate marketing is, so it's basically a tactic where an online retailer gives niche website owners the ability to create unique product and which called affiliate links. The website owner must provide the link in exchange. When someone visit the link and make a purchase through the link, the website owner automatically receive commissions. As an affiliate, you only make money once the link is used in a transaction. Affiliate marketing is right for you if you already own a website or blog and your content offer opportunities for product mention. For instance, if you own a recipe blog, you can create a link for product ingredients. So how does the Amazon affiliate program work? So in the Amazon affiliate program, associates earn commission by creating unique product link, promoting the link on their website and driving referral traffic back to Amazon. Here is how it works. So Amazon owner create an Amazon affiliate account on their platform, and Amazon gives each website owner a unique associate ID. Once the application has been approved, associate can begin creating affiliate link in their Amazon portal. Associate then place the link in blog post or other parts of their website. When someone click the link and make a purchase, the associate earn commission. So there must be a question in your head and how much an Amazon affiliate program pay as a commission. So you can earn on an average from $100 to $20,000 from Amazon affiliate program, depending on how many referral you generate from Amazon. The Amazon affiliate program operates on a commission basis, meaning you will make a percentage per sale. The commission rate differs depending on the product category. So this is what is Amazon affiliate marketing program. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.